1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, fine. Let's start. Starter GUI. How do I connect stats to increase damage? Stat points I get from. What is my with keyboard? It's a bit lagging. How do I connect stat points I get from new levels to upgrade base damage of player or health? Health or other values? We already got starter. Where is it? Not just input. Server script service. We got player progression. We have start weapon stick. We have combat server. Yes, we have an XP system that gives 3 stat points per level. It's in player progression, right? Yes. We have function XP to next level. We have we are making leader stats. Wait, we are also making stats of damage and max health, but I didn't really see that. We have a upgrade stat remote event ready to use. What did he do? He called multi-edit. Oh, he is adding local. Wait, he did not add anything. No, he made a new one, right? He made player stats handler. What's inside? Apply health. You did something else also. Pretty sure. What did he do? He will create a player stats service module to manage player stats. Okay, no starter pack, starter player. Stats UV handler. We got stats UI handler. Local prayer prayer. Local player GUI is player GUI. UI elements, damage stats info, damage stats, critical stats, attack speed stat, defense stat. What's been created? Player stats servers module script manages all player stats, damage, health, critical chance, attack speed, defense. Element bonuses handles stat upgrades and validation, automatically applies health changes to characters. Player stats service. Okay, I see it. In server script service, what we got? Default stats for new players. Damage 10, max health 10, critical chance 5. I guess critical chance should not be 5, but darkness bonus fire. Upgrade cost, stat, multipliers. How much each point increases the stat damage to myself done. Store player stats in memory. Oh, that's important. Local player stats. What this thing means, actually. I want to see what these things mean. Hey, can you help with? Hello, Fireshot. Where would you like to help with? We have here a pretty much good AI. Oh, I disable screen. There we go. What means these things in Roblox Studio? Like arrays, dictionaries are assigned to variable. It's curly brackets. K-value pairs are stored on separate lines followed by a comma case. And values can be any data type, including strings, numbers, and variable names. Not understandable. So you can actually fire shot. Join in Discord. We have here some people already that help. One makes GUI and one builder. You could help builder with building. But you can understand that it's a bit strange. What if you will destroy the map? Wait, do I even have Discord link in description? Yes, there it is. Animations. I am doing animations in Blender. I learned for 3D artist, but at some point wanted to make a game. Maybe we will need something. But we have animations for almost all mobs already. Wait, we use these dictionaries when you need to label values, not just list them in order as an array does. But you know, it's very nice. It's very nice that you want to help. I do appreciate that. You can stick around, maybe we will need people. Just now we need really coding, finish setup and build the world. And then it will be better. Wait, let's finish these curly brackets. To reference part of auto insert object as case, use brackets. Okay, interesting. Curly brackets understand a bit more, but it's okay that you're not a pro. I'm not a pro either. Scripting, not at all. Let's see what this AI made. Player stats handler. Player stats handler. Initializes stats for new players. Handles stat upgrade requests from clients. Syncs stats between server and client. Okay, great. Stats UI handler. Stats UI handler. He is connecting our GUIs from our GUI helper to the script. He adds upgrade buttons plus to each stat section. Handles buttons clicks to spend stat points. Damn, he did so much. Combat integration server script. Oh, where is it? AI is really insane. What this does provides functions to use player stats in combat. Okay, it gets player damage, player defense, player critical chance. It even has it even checks for critical hit using mass random 100. And if it is, then damage is increased by 1.5. It adds 50% bonus damage on crit. So I can modify that as well. We got function to calculate damage taken with defense. How he does that? Local defense. Damage reduction. Defense plus 100. Diminishing for returns formula. Oh, but it will return minimum 1 damage, so it cannot be overpowered. What else we got? Should I tell my subscribers to sub to you? Oh my god, are you a famous YouTuber? Oh my god. If you want, of course it would be nice if you look on the channel. I launched it just 11 days ago. There is not much still, but I'm on it. New video is already uploaded. I welcome all people here and talk with everyone. Even my cat is welcoming you. So we got weapon stats. Local script example shows how to integrate stats into your weapon combat system. Where is weapon stats? Weapon. Okay, it's in starter player scripts. Weapon stats. What is this? It gets replicated. Deal damage to target. If not target humanoid or target humanoid has less than 0 or equals, then return. Get player's damage stat. Apply damage. Discord link is our server in Discord. Now there are only a few devs here, but later this server might be for the game just. You will not? Oh, alright. Damn, your PC is on password. It's alright. I want to understand how to use now this system. So we got the stat points flow. Player gains XP. Levels up. Gets 3 stat points. Player clicks plus button on a stat. Client sends request to server. Server validates and deducts 1 stat point. Server increases the stat value. Client updates its UI with new values. So much steps actually. Stat values cost 1 stat point per upgrade, damage 2 per point. Okay, this is all in script. How to use in your combat system to use player stats in your NPC combat script. Modify the damage calculation. In your NPC combat script, replace target humanoid take damage to local combat integration. Okay, I will need to replace some lines in scripting. They got UI features, green plus buttons added to each stat section, hover effects on buttons, real-time stat updates, stat points, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm so tired of reading this. Next step, test the system. Integrate with combat. Customize values. Okay, balancing will be done with testers in the end. Add more. Oh, actually, you, Mr. Fireshot, or anyone else, we will need testers before the beta to test balance. So if you want, you can test it later. Let's add more stats. I can easily add new stats by updating the default stats table. Okay, cool. We will need to change something. Oh my god, so much scripts. What is yes, there it is. I wanna spawn and see what changed. One animation failed to load. Someone failed to load animation. Infinity yield possible on wooden stick. Stat upgrade failed, invalid stat name. Okay. Okay, don't look at the world, it's just builder is experimenting. Okay, let's see. If I get the slime, I get stat points. I am getting stats, but it was already before. But where is... How do I call upgrading menu? Stat upgrade file, invalid stat name. Okay, what is this? Blender is free, yes. Blender is free and amazing. New to Roblox Studio. Oh, well, welcome into Roblox Studio. Want to? Okay, my headphones discharged. Bye, thanks for coming, for checking it. Okay, we got here. Why would it fail? Start upgrade failed. Invalid start name. Can I jump to it? Handle server response. Okay, it creates upgrade buttons. Button name upgrade button. But it says set upgrade failed. Invalid start name. What is corner routing? Corner radius, corner parent? Oops. Where is, sorry, where is GUI? Maybe enable it? And come on, what is accept? Okay, it's enable, disable, and disenable. But we also will need to call someone the Windows for upgrading. Okay, two problems causing the error. The stats UI handler is sending get stats to the server every 2 seconds. The server, which is not a valid stat name. The server handler isn't properly filtering out non-upgrade requests. Oh, there is create upgrade button. The script in, oh, how much times do I need to accept? He has so much prints over here. Output will be just filled with it. Okay, maybe meanwhile, let's make last animations for the last monster. I feel like it's gonna take a while for him to process it. So if I need to change anything, wait, it has a cosmetic button, runes button. Demand bonuses. Okay, this GUI was made by a person who is helping. It has skills buttons, text label, UI stroke. It's loading quite long for some reason. Okay, let's see where. Here is Slimy, but where is Temple? Oh, it's Temple, kinda. This is Croca. This is Ice. Wait, what if I will show everything? How do I do that? I dash. What is this? Oh my god. It's the It's the old pharaoh guy there where he is. An old pharaoh that I was making before. Okay, okay. Uh, Can you come on, be hide it? Hide it, hide it. What is this? Oh, a sun. But I cannot find really an ice cobalt. Where was he? Maybe in lava mobs. Well, there is another slime. What is this orientation? Guard and armature, but okay, let's go back to studio. So he has fixed the issues. So client was sending get stats every 2 seconds, which was being treated as an invalid stat name. Now the server properly handles get stats as a special request to since data stats. Changed the since interval from 2 seconds to 5 seconds to reduce server feed. Oh, not feed load. And added comprehensive debugging. Oh my god, so much output. Available stats for upgrade. Defense attack speed, blah blah blah. Oh my god. Hey, we got we got the buttons. But something got messed up, I think. But it's all fixable. Okay, someone loaded to. Someone failed to load animation, but it's. I think it's the Croco mob or whatever it is. I know someone doesn't have animations yet. Maybe the ice cobalt. Okay, we got this window, but starter player. Well, if I disable it, it's not disappearing. It's because I'm in the game. Damage. Okay, problem is that I cannot close this, right?